The next number of days are really crucial when it comes to the EU-US relationship, and there's not an hour to spare. It's absolutely important that intensive diplomatic efforts are put underway to try and de-escalate an extraordinarily dangerous economic situation. We all know that tariffs are bad for the Irish economy, they're bad for the European economy, they're bad for the US economy as well. But this is now deeper than that also. This has the potential to cause a spiral of destabilising actions that could have dire consequences. So cool heads must prevail, and there is not a moment to lose, and the next number of days will be crucial as Europe works to try and stabilise this situation and find a way forward, because we are always stronger, the EU and the US, when we cooperate, when we collaborate. We also can't lose sight of Ukraine at this time also. We need to continue to stand in full solidarity with Ukraine, and I look forward to at ECOFIN having an update today on how we financially support Ukraine. There is a brutal illegal invasion taking place on the continent of Europe, and we must stand in full solidarity with Ukraine and not lose sight of that with all else that is going on in the world. We'll also today consider a number of the recovery and resilience plans, and I'm very pleased that an adaptation to the Irish plan will be considered. It's important that all member states, including Ireland, are given every opportunity possible to maximise the drawdown from this fund and the very many important projects that will assist with.